Do you want to know how you can access the chat in Fliki? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can access the chat using Fliki. So go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser and then go to fliki.ai. Now, click on the question mark which is on the right hand side and click chat/AI. It will load you to this screen where you can chat with Fliki and you can connect the Fliki support and ask for feedback. So you can click whatever is written here and you will get some kind of answers from the Fliki chat AI. This was a video on how you can access the chat in Fliki. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.